Go to the search bar and write here PowerPoint. Okay, next close, click the blank presentation, delete this and delete this, and click the right button and select format background gradient, then this. Okay, and select this black and this red. Okay, and others we can delete simply. Okay, then okay, that's okay. And next click the insert shapes and draw this shape like that. Okay, shape fill, not fill, shape outline, red color, and this. Okay, next insert this shape fill, this shape outline, no outline. Okay, then go to the animation panel and add animation, spin. Okay, or we can use shapes. Okay, then this, like that. Okay, next we can show that. Okay, then animation pen, and click here, click effect option, and one second timing with previous, then duration 5 seconds, and repeat until end of slide. Okay, and then wait. Okay, then click here and click Control D. Okay, then okay, and format shape fill, shape fill, not fill, shape outline, this, and okay, insert, or we can duplicate that, and this, and shape fill red. Okay, then animation, shape, Okay, we can delete that and okay. Okay, and again go to the effect option and timing until slide, click no with previous, and it's 5 seconds. Okay, then okay. Okay, then another Control D, click Control D. Okay, next duplicate this, Control D. Okay, okay, done. Then go to and the effect option, timing. Okay, it's okay. Click the OK button, and we can fill the another color, and this color is not fill shape. This color. Okay, our project is ready. So we go to the slide. Okay, one problem that go to the animation pane, add animation, shapes. This okay, done. And effect option, timing with previous 5 seconds until end of slide, then okay. Okay, our project is complete. Slideshow. This is our project.